Hello students, today I am going to teach you an exam based questions related to 12th class as chapter is titled as inverse trigonometric functions. So here we see these questions. So if you look carefully at this question, so you will notice that it's given in the algebraic form as x and y. Means some algebraic functions are going to be used here. Some trigonometric functions for x and y are going to be used here. Okay students, so how let's figure it out how to solve this question. So what should first come in our mind, that if there is 10 outside, so some function of 10 must be formed inside as well. Okay students, so what we'll do first, there we have the two parts, first part and second part. So first of all we'll take the first part student. Okay, so here it is a part first, part first. Okay student, so I write here sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. So if you look again carefully to this expressions, to this function, so what do you find? If you remember some kind of formula of the sine to theta, so it would be easier for you student. So I just want to tell you that if we keep tan theta in place of x, instead of x, so we'll find the sine to theta formula. Means sine to theta formula will be created by us. Okay, and if there is sine outside student, please remember, if there is sine outside, then we'll have to create a sine formula in the form of sine formula inside as well. Okay students, so that's why we'll put the tan theta in place of x student. So here put x is equal to tan theta. Okay students, now it is given the sine inverse. So again I write the sine inverse, and in spite of x we'll write the tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay students, now I just told you that this is the sine to theta formula. So what we'll do student, we'll keep the sine to theta in place of this. So first of all, this is the sine to theta formula. So sine to theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay students, so sine to theta, this is the sine to theta formula is equal to the 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. What we'll do next, we'll have to write the sine inverse. We'll write this one, sine inverse, and in place of this, instead of this function, we'll keep the sine to theta, because sine to theta is equal to the this one. Okay student, so here sine inverse, then we'll write the sine to theta. Now students, sine and psi will do the comparisons of the sine and sine, so it will become the only 2 theta. We'll find the 2 theta, and we don't know the value of the theta. So what we'll do the student, so we'll help this function, as we know that x is equal to tan theta. So theta is equal to, sorry, yes, theta is equal to, and x will be transposed there student. So theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now it will become tan inverse x. So we know as tan inverse x. So tan inverse x will be kept in place of theta. Okay students, so here I write this one. It's mean 2 tan inverse x. Now this is our, so here it is given as x is smaller than 1, means x is greater than the minus 1, but it is smaller than 1. So this value belongs to this one, sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. So we have now calculated this one, 2 tan inverse x. Now we'll find out the y. Y is greater than 0. So students, we'll do this one. Now we will have to use this function student. Okay, second part. So let me erase this part student. Now we'll use the second part. Okay, part second, it is given cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. Okay students, cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. So students, if you look carefully again, so what will you notice? You will notice that if there is cos outside, so we'll have to create a formula in the form of cos inside as well. So what we'll do, students? We'll do the tan theta in place of y, instead of y, students. Okay. So here put y is equal to tan theta, because we know cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. But students, please remember, we have used the theta before. So what we'll use the second time? We'll use the cos phi. Okay, students, because theta has been already used by us, so we'll use the phi in place of theta, students. So please don't forget this. Okay, students, so we'll use the y is equal to tan phi. Now what we'll do is, students, so cos inverse 1 minus tan phi upon 1 plus tan phi. Okay, students, sorry, 1 minus tan square phi upon 1 plus tan square phi, student. Now here, as we know, this is the cos 2 theta formula, students. So as we know that cos 2 phi is equal to 1 minus tan square phi upon 1 plus tan square phi. Cos 2 phi, then what we'll do, the students? Then we'll do that cos 2 phi is equal to this one. So we'll keep this cos 2 phi in place of this function, student. Okay. So here we see that cos inverse and is equal to cos 2 phi. Okay, student. Now what we'll do, cos and cos will be the comparisons. We'll do the comparisons of the cos and cos. So we'll find the 2 phi, student. What will phi? 2 phi. I should write here, we'll find the 2 phi. But we don't know the value of the phi. So what we'll do, the student? What we'll do? So first of all, if we don't know the value of the phi, so we'll take the help of y is equal to tan inverse. Y is equal to tan phi. Okay, student. So here y will be transposed there, phi, and it will become like as phi is equal to tan inverse y. It will become, the y will be transposed there, so it will become tan inverse y. Phi is equal to tan inverse y. What will do the next? It will be kept in place of phi, student. So here it becomes 2 tan inverse y. Here we have got this term, and it is used for we have calculated for this. Now we got this answer, and it belongs to this, student. Okay. Now third, we have to put this function in our question here, student. Okay. So let me erase this one, then I'll tell you. Now here we see the this one. We have to note down this one, as in the question it's written the tan 1 upon 2, student. Okay, tan of 1 upon 2. So should I write here tan of 1 by 2? Now I'll write the function we'll get as 2 tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse y. Okay, students. What we'll do the next, student? Because in this situation, what do you find? We find the 2 and 2. So 2 will be taken the common, students. Okay. So we'll take the common. So here in this second step, tan 1 upon 2 multiply by 2, and then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Okay, students. Now 2 and 2 will be cut off, students, as we know. So what we'll find? Tan. So it will become tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. As we know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So this is the formula of tan inverse, student. Okay, tan inverse is equal to x plus y upon 1 minus x into y, students. Okay, so it will become the formula of tan inverse. So students, it will become the tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Okay, students, it will become the formula. And now we'll do the comparisons of the tan and tan. So what we'll find? We'll find the x plus y. We'll find x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. That's all. This is our logic. This is our answer. As it's given in the last, you can see xy is smaller than 1. So we have found our answer, x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. So this is our answer, students. Okay. So if you have any doubts, so please do the comment. And this is our logic. This is our answer. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.